I think mahal talaga magbiyahe ngayon. Napakamahal. So, and let us look at the returns of the trips then. And even if wala ngang return, we should understand that we are the ASEAN chair. The President had to make all of these trips. And then maganda nga ang returns. Ngayon pa lang 11% up na ang ating tourists sa ating bansa. So and then the respect of the world leaders for President Duterte and for the Philippines. I think if we ask our OFWs if they feel that the respect for Filipinos abroad has increased, then this is sufficient enough return. And please compare his expenses to the expenses of the other administrations to find out kung reasonable ba o hindi.
Pero sir, nakikriticize po na ang dami-daming sumasama daw po sa delegation. Dapat ba bawasan or mag-minimize ng cost?
Sa ngayon, sabi ng Presidente, ayaw niya magbiyahe. So useless to talk about bawasan yung delegation. Hindi na lalabas ng bansa si Pangulong Duterte as frequent as before. Because ginawa naman niya yan because chair tayo po ng ASEAN.
Is there an indication that the President will ask for an extension, sir? Given what's happening